In this short lesson, I'm just going to talk just a moment about a way that you can use Travis picking to improve your sound. And I'm going to pick one of the songs I taught way back in one of the earlier sections, one of those sitting around the campfire songs, Kumbaya. It's a song that's people make fun of these days, but it's a very pretty song, and the sentiment that it brings forth is a good sentiment, I think, and so I like the song. But anyway, it's a good song to show you a little bit about how you can dress up a song, if you will, using your skills, your new skills, as somebody who can use Travis picking. So let's go back and look at Kumbaya. It's key G. So just strumming it, I have finger picks on, by the way, so don't let those throw you. So someone's singing low, kumbaya. Just very simple strumming. Someone's singing low, kumbaya. If you were sitting around a campfire and people wanted to sing that song and you wanted to accompany them, then that would be a fine way to do it. It'd sound better, of course, if you used a flat pick instead of a thumb pick. But anyway, you get the idea. Now, once you know how to Travis pick, though, you can just start taking a look at the chords, G and C and D, or D7. It's in there. And if you thought to yourself, boy, it'd be nice to be able to play a prettier, more honest rendition of that song. And a good way to do that is to add the melody so that you're playing essentially the three parts at once. So what would the three parts be? You'd be playing a bass part, you'd be playing some chords, and you'd be playing a melody all at the same time. And that's what Travis picking allows you to do. Travis picking is used a lot in country music, and the country music guitarists often employ this technique. So the way you would approach a song like Kumbaya, the key of G, is you just sort of strum the chord, think for yourself, well, where's the melody? Someone's singing, Lord, like, where is that? Maybe just sort of, someone's singing, someone, there it is. Someone's singing, Lord. You hear that. So you find the melody, it's around your G chord, two open strings, third string, second string, and then you get this melody note right here on the third fret of the second string, that's a D. And since you know how to play the G chord, and you know that sometimes at least one version of the G chord holds that note down, that's the power G, right? So you know that that note's very nearby. So you've got three notes of the melody very nearby. So you got that. So we're working on the melody first. Where is it? Here. And now you got this note. Kumbaya, kumbaya. But your coins. You go to C. So look at that. The note, kumbaya, actually comes as a part of the C chord. Don't even have to do anything. Okay, so that's the first part of the melody. Second part of the melody, this is almost the same. Then you got another part of the melody that goes. You go, where's that? You're supposed to be playing a D, but it's this note, not this note. But if you play the D7th, you get that note. So try that. So you can go like this. Sometimes there's a little bit of trial and error. Close. That's it. Okay, so do one more time. You think you've got all of the melody. Now I'm just playing, I'm not doing a fancy Travis picking alternating bass. I'm just sort of playing the bass note of the chord just to make sure it sounds correct.